Welcome to this Mathematic Basics recap. It's a summary of a 2-week intensive math course. It's gonna be in 10 recap videos because there were 10 chapters. The goal is to get up to speed, by that I mean pass the exams. What do we need to do? First, we need to understand the course and learn it. Second, we need to practice it. And lastly, we need to get fast at it. For that, we need the mindset, believing that we can do it. And second, we need also the skills. By that I mean actually knowing how to do it. How are we going to do it? In each video, we will have a recap of the key points to remember. And second, we will practice. For that, each video will have its main exercise, which will be useful for understanding the key points to remember. These are the chapters we are going to cover, from logic to elementary number theory. See you tomorrow at 7 a.m. for the first video about logic.